In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can use your network as static IP. Let's tap on the connected Wi-Fi first, and you can see on bottom of the setting there's IP setting, and we have DHCP and static. But before you change, I want you guys to see your gateway IP here, because this is very important. If you mess with gateway IP, it will not work. Okay, make sure to remember that your gateway IP first. And once you guys are good, then scroll down and then choose the IP setting as static. Now input your IP address. Your IP address should be like 192.168.0. Guys, actually this is your gateway IP and 1. Now you need to put 1, 2, 3, whatever. More the better, because if you put like let's say if you put like 192.168. like 2, okay, for example, if on your network is using the same IP address, then this device and the same IP address device will collide, and there will be like de-authentication, and the second device will be like victim or infected, and you will be connected. And yes, it's like killing the Wi-Fi for other people. You don't want it to use like a small number. So just imagine like how many people that your network have. I don't think you will be like on like 50 or 100. Just put like 50 or 100 and you guys are good to go. Then choose DNS. You can use Google DNS or Cloudflare. Cloudflare is 1.1.1.1, and secondary you can put Google or Cloudflare as well, 1.0.0.1. And now go to any browser and test the internet. This is my router. All right, going to google.com, and you can see that this is working perfectly fine as a static IP. Let's test it fast.com as well. Well, there we go. This is the internet speed right now on my phone. And yeah, this is how you guys can set up the static IP from DHCP. And I hope this video was useful for you. I think this video was useful for you. Smash that subscribe and like this video, and see you guys in next one. Peace out.